Here at Big City, we have a lot of stands. We mean a lot. From cheap stands to heavy-duty ones. From short rolling ones to extremely tall ones. We've got them all. Do you need a cheap light stand for simple lightweight light or ring light? Well, this medium-duty light stand ranges from 2 to 6 feet in height and is compact and portable. This light stand is good enough for most lights under 2 kilograms. Have something bigger? You need something more heavy-duty. That's where this light stand comes in. Our heavy-duty light stand can hold up to 15 kilograms of weight, and its range of movement is from 3 to 10 feet tall. What's that? 10 feet isn't tall enough for you? Don't worry, we got this. This stand is the same build quality as our last model, but it can go even higher to 13 feet tall. Okay, that's a little tall. Let's bring it down and make it even more heavy duty. Big City also has these heavy duty classic C stands that are overall heavier, and they concentrate its weight at the base more than our previous mentioned models. Also, they have the option to get it with or without a grip arm. Okay, that's nice, but don't you want wheels? Well, this low stand on wheels might work. It's 14 inches in height and has a little pop-up spigot where you can mount your fixture very low. It also works with the pole from our previous mentioned C-stands with the removable turtle base. Hey, want another option? Don't worry, we still got this. The final light stand we have is a heavy-duty chrome stand on wheels. It's 4 foot at its lowest and 9.5 feet at its highest. It's a great stand for any studio. That's all, folks. All the pricing and availability will be linked below. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.